Welcome back to the channel. Today, as a follow-up to my video on my gaming mouse, I'm going to take a look at my Razer Huntsman Elite keyboard and take you through a few of the specs and key features you may find useful if you are in the market for a new gaming keyboard. Having already decided that all my peripherals for my PC were going to be Razer products, this just left me with the decision of which of the Razer keyboards to buy. After looking through a few online reviews, I decided to go for one of Razer's higher end keyboards, the Huntsman Elite, and I wasn't disappointed. As with any Razer product, the first thing we see is a customary green and black box, and as usual a very minimalist amount of packaging, but more than enough to provide adequate protection. Inside the box, it's the usual Razer sticker and basic warranty card, and obviously the keyboard itself, along with the detachable wrist rest. As with the DeathAdder version 2 gaming mouse that I reviewed recently, the Huntsman Elite has a similar braided cable that feels and looks premium. The cable here is slightly thicker due to having two USB connectors, one for the RGB lighting and the second for the keyboard itself. Once again, that premium feel is there, which is what you expect from Razer, especially on their higher end products. Unusually for a Razer product, their logo isn't highly visible, other than a discreet logo embossed into the wrist rest, giving the keyboard a stealthy look when switched off. One standout addition on this keyboard from their previous model is the addition of the multimedia buttons and wheel in the top right, as this is something Razer fans have been crying out for over the years, so nice to see they have listened to their audience and brought that to this keyboard. So here's a quick rundown of some of the key features. So it has optomechanical switches, and these are Razer's purple switches which are 30% faster than traditional switches, utilising optical beam technology to reduce click time with no bounce delay. The addition of the multimedia buttons and wheel are a big positive, with these being fully customisable through the Synapse software. Personally, I have the wheel set as volume control, but you can customise to do almost anything you like. The Huntsman Elite has full Razer Chroma RGB effects, not only on the keys but also around the edge of the keyboard, which also extends to the detachable wrist rest once connected. The wrist rest connects to something similar to Apple's Smart Connector seen on their iPads, making detaching and reattaching very quick and easy. The keyboard and wrist rest have 62 lighting zones in total, again fully customisable through the software, with plenty of preset effects to choose from, such as wave, fire, ripple, spectrum, starfield, Chroma, and many more. I've not had too much chance to test with many games so far, but from what I've seen, the keyboard is super responsive, tactile, and feels great in those long gaming sessions. And that's it, you've come to the end of another video. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like rating and consider subscribing, as it really helps out the channel. As always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll take the time to respond. See you next time.